What do you think about this for a Christmas gift? My new stencils. And I can show you how to make one. They're simple. You can use magazines if you want. I got them, the collage paper at TEMU, and stencils. But they're easy to make. I got it at Walmart for a couple of bucks. You can use Modge Podge from the dollar store. So I'm going to show you how, and it's a quick little cool gift to give. Okay, I got my tools here, and I'm going to use, these are at the dollar store. You can get a little thing of Modge Podge. I got matte. I'm going to glue this on. I got a lot of these. I got some maps. I was thinking of doing mermaids with the maps. I got a whole bunch of different collage paper. I like these ones. These ones are good too. These are good. But I like them. They fit on here perfectly. For the vintage, I think I'll do this. Take the plastic off. I like this stuff better. That cost a few bucks. It's not cheap. It's like $14 for that little bottle. And I think this works just as good. So now we're going to let that dry. While that's drying, I'll show you some of the ladies. I got a whole book of vintage ladies. It's getting ripples. Get some of that excess off. Okay, let that dry. So I got some ladies, a book of ladies. I use a lot of them. They have a lot of flowers in there. These ones, we'll use these ones. I didn't see that. That one's really pretty. Can use that one. They have lots, and I picked out, let's see, so I have some flowers here. I think I really like these. And I think I want this one. She's pretty. Whoops. I'm out of the camera here, sorry. Oops, she's pretty. She's pretty. And these are some flowers that I'm gonna use. So I think I'm going to pick her. She's got the butterfly. I'm actually going to do it while it's wet. I'll put it right on there. Use my scissors that I like. No, not these. These ones. And these were at TEMU. These, they weren't too expensive. Put her right there. I think these will look great in somebody's bathroom and a vanity. And I want those roses, that big one. This is gonna look pretty. Cut that. There's that right there. Oh, that one's a really big one. It's covering a lot. I got all sorts of new stencils. Let's see. Maybe this one up here. Cut this one really good. The burnt part in the corner. That just fits. Just fits. Whoops. Uh-oh. I did too much. Take some off. Oop. So now we'll let that dry. Okay, then we can do some stencils on there. These will look pretty together. And look good. Okay. Should I do a little bit more? Should I do another one? I kind of like the space because then I can do the butterflies and some stencil in there. Leave some space for stenciling. Okay. Uh-oh. I went ahead and did some stenciling. Sorry, I got excited. I forgot to turn the camera on. So there you go. There's a nice little Christmas gift. They'll look really good together. Put some butterflies on there. What do you think? Come back for more little tutorials on art projects. Thank you. And then I sprayed it with this. So this is all you need for a quick little gift. Stencils. And you can go into a magazine and get magazine pictures. Easy peasy. There we go. In my bathroom. They look pretty good. What do you think? Nice Christmas gift, right? Pretty.